We'll guide you through how to upload photos on Dropbox. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Dropbox website. Sign in with your account credentials if you're not already logged in. Once you're on the main Dropbox dashboard, look at the left-hand side of the screen and click on the Files tab. This will take you to your main file directory where you can organize your folders and files. Next, locate and click on the Upload button, usually found on the top right corner of the page. You will see two options, Files and Folder. For uploading individual photos, click on Files. A File Explorer window will pop up, allowing you to browse through your computer's directories. Navigate to the location where your photos are stored. You can select multiple photos by holding down the Control key on Windows or the Command key on Mac while clicking on the photos you wish to upload. After selecting the photos, click the Open button in the File Explorer window. Dropbox will start uploading your photos immediately, and you'll see a progress bar indicating the upload status. Depending on the size of your files and your internet speed, this could take a few seconds to a few minutes. Once the upload is complete, your photos will appear in your Dropbox file list. You can now organize them into folders, share them with friends or colleagues, or access them from any device with internet access. Remember, Dropbox also offers a feature called Camera Upload that automatically uploads photos from your devices, but that's a topic for another video. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.